To apply for a Bank of Baroda education loan, follow these steps. First, determine your eligibility by checking the bank's criteria, which typically includes being an Indian citizen, having a good academic record, and securing admission to a recognized institution. Next, gather the required documents, including proof of identity, address, and income, as well as academic certificates and admission letters. You will also need to provide details about the course and institution you are applying to, including the fee structure and duration. Step 3 is to choose the right loan scheme, as Bank of Baroda offers various education loan products with different interest rates and repayment terms. Consider factors such as the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment tenure to select the most suitable option. Once you have selected a loan scheme, you can apply online or visit a Bank of Baroda branch to submit your application. The bank will then verify your documents and assess your creditworthiness before approving the loan. After the loan is sanctioned, the bank will disburse the funds to the institution, and you can start repaying the loan after the moratorium period, which is usually 6 months after completing the course. It is essential to make timely repayments to avoid penalties and maintain a good credit score. To make the most of your Bank of Baroda education loan, consider the tax benefits available under Section 80E of the Income Tax Act, which allows you to claim a deduction on the interest paid. Additionally, keep track of your loan account and repayment schedule to ensure that you are on top of your finances. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can successfully apply for a Bank of Baroda education loan and fund your higher education goals. Remember to carefully review the terms and conditions of the loan and seek guidance from the bank's representatives if you have any questions or concerns.